Hi children, in this video we are going to continue exercise number 3 under chapter 8. So we are going to see how to draw the angles using protractor. So for that first example I have took 45 degree. So first using scale we are going to draw a line segment with any centimeter. So right now I am using 5 centimeter. So here with this point I am going to place the protractor, that is protractor's center point on it. So if you place like this, your baseline towards your right side of the protractor should fall on the baseline of the figure line segment which you have drawn. Okay, so now since the baseline of the figure which you have drawn the line segment, no, that is towards the right side. When your baseline is towards right side, you have to use the inner scale. Inner scale means from right side 0 will start, no, that is your inner scale. So from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50 between you will have 45. So there you have to just make a dot with sharp 45. Remove your protractor. Using scale, join these two points, that is you can extend your line also. Okay, so now this angle is your 45 degree. So you can name it as like any alphabet A, B, C. So angle ABC is equal to 45 degree. So with this same 45 degree I am going to show you how to use your outer scale. So for this again line segment of 5 centimeter I am taking. So with this I am going to place the center point of the protractor, the line segment which you have drawn, no, so which is towards your right side. I am going to place it, that is in this point. The center point of the protractor should be placed on the line segment so that your line segment which you have drawn, no, should move towards your left side. Okay, now your baseline is towards your left side on the protractor, so that your outer scale 0, 10 which is starting towards your left side, no, that you are going to use it. So 40 between 50 you will have a 45. So just again mark a point. Okay, just remove it and join these two dots. So now this angle is your 45. So you can also use it any alphabet XYZ. So XYZ is equal to 45 degree. So here in 145 degree I have shown you how to use your inner scale and how to use your outer scale. So we'll see one more example. Degree 135. We are going to draw 135. After drawing the line segment, I am going to place this protractor so that my baseline is facing towards my right side. So when the baseline is towards your right side, you have to use your inner scale. So 135. So 130 and 140 between 135 is there. So just make a dot, remove it, you can join. So PQR. So this angle is 135 degree. So angle PQR is equal to 135 degree. So one more degree I will show you, 180 degree. Okay. So here I've drawn the baseline of line segment. So this point I'm going to place it exactly with the protractor. So now the baseline is facing towards my right side. So inner scale I have to use. So from 0 towards your right side starting node there 180 I have to choose. So this is your 180. So make a dot, remove it, using scale, join it. So this is your center point, that is vertex point, 180 degree. So A, B, C. So the angle A, B, C is equal to 180 degree. So hope you have understood. Thank you, children.